Isn't this the reason, Mr. Vybz Kartel, that you have chosen of all the artists in the world to try and belittle and tear down my client Movado David Brooks? Isn't that why? Answer the question.
Yeah. Let me tell you something. Vybz Kartel don't bad mind Movado for nothing. Me have vibes on me not sign for that. You hear me I say? Me give my condom deal. You know what I mean? Who is Movado over Vybz Kartel? He can't even afford a good lawyer. You know what I mean? Look at you.
What?
Who is Shrimpster? Are you kidding me? He's a famous Jamaican comedian guy all over TikTok.
What about a hostage situation?
Hostage situation? Once them take you as a hostage, I don't care about you, you know, sir.
Oh my
I
God!
shoot to kill and
So you're saying?
Dead and who live.
I don't know about that something. I don't know about no gun. I don't know about no gun.
It's alright.
Ma'am,
Well, he will be on the TDP show coming this Sunday, March 28. Join Amaziyah the Great live at 5 p.m. Jamaica time, 6 p.m. US time, 10 p.m. if you're in Africa or the UK.
That is fine. But the last man was stubborn like you. They are GP mad and a race foul in himself. So you think about that. Sergeant, you can pass the confession book, please.
If you love chanting, we'll be introducing David St. Aubin.
Learning your my mother's feet, you taught me to wash over and clean.
Joining us live from North Carolina, hip-hop dancehall reggae artist Rowan the Great. He might have a couple songs and videos that mash up the place. Still inside the United States, let me introduce you to a beautiful face. She is Dakota Sharby, an entrepreneur, fashion model, TV host. Yeah, she'll be chatting with Amaziyah the Great live at 5 on March 28th, so make it a date and don't be late. Nobody miss this, tell them precisely.
My heart's beating backwards.
What makes you think your heart's beating backwards?
Well, normally it goes goop boop, and now it's going boop goop.
Are you having any other symptoms?